Deciding whether or not to utilize a credit card designated exclusively for your business is really so easy. Even if you only have 1 or 2 employees, you should have separate credit cards. According to SBA, 65% of small businesses regularly use credit cards, but only 50% of those cards used are actually in the name of the business. Keeping personal and business expenditures separate is important for a number of reasons. Primarily because you don't want to put your personal credit at risk on business expenditures. It's also useful for financial organization, as well as doing your taxes every year much easier. Shop around for small business credit cards that provide advantages, including business spending reports. That is a free reporting tool that organizes transactions into spending categories, which helps with expense management. Your business credit card should provide a higher spending limit than a personal credit card to help with operating cash flow. If you have multiple employees, you may want to issue cards to different people on the same account. With higher spending limits and frequency of use, it's easier to take advantage of the perks and the rewards programs most credit card companies offer. Getting a credit card for your business will also help build a credit record for your business. With proper credit management, this can be a benefit later if you're applying for small business loan, grants, or other types of financing.